Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need clear prerequisites before launching. Pick a niche you can reach and monetize, set up basic tracking, and create one content asset. Start by validating demand. Use keyword intent and competitor signals so you target buyers. Then register with 1 or 2 affiliate networks and obtain your tracking links. Once done, build one focused landing asset, a single blog post, video, or email sequence that promotes one offer. This avoids scattered effort and gets you into real traffic testing fast. Now scale the middle phase, drive targeted traffic and optimize conversions. Choose one traffic channel, organic SEO, a small paid campaign, or niche community posting, and learn its mechanics. Focus on relevance, not volume. Publish content optimized for intent, then run 3 controlled tests: headline, CTA, and offer placement. Analyze results with UTMs and conversion metrics to know what moves revenue. Make incremental changes to landing copy or creative. This process turns raw clicks into predictable affiliate commissions. Finish by scaling what works and hardening the system. Reinvest profits into the top-performing channel, double spend on campaigns that return positive ROI, and pause underperformers. Automate follow-ups with an email sequence and repurpose your best content into 2 other formats to widen reach. If performance suddenly drops, troubleshoot. Verify tracking links, confirm the offer's landing page hasn't changed, and assess traffic quality. One key tip: always check tracking first. Most apparent problems are simple attribution or URL mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.